What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So check it out. Palantir stock is moving today. It's currently about 1:30 p.m. and Palantir is up 1.5%. We're breaking almost back to $160 a share as every index now in the U.S. stock market is also in the green. So guys, listen, we're going to break down Palantir, the charts, and we're going to go over the indexes, maybe some other stocks I'm watching later in the video. But first, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, join my free email stock newsletter, and check out my Patreon for my portfolio updates. All the links are right down below. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So again, Palantir is moving up 1.5% right now, trading at $158.50. And get this, we were up more earlier this morning. You guys can see we almost hit $160 this morning after closing at $156 pretty much yesterday. So clearly we're gapping up. Momentum starting to build here again after we saw a bit of a sell-off yesterday and the day before, which, by the way, even though we saw some selling yesterday, the day before, we pretty much still held 155. I mean, yes, we saw a flash crash 2 days ago to 153, but we got right back over 155. So, honestly, this looks like momentum's building back up, does it not? Palantir hit $162 a couple days ago. That was an all-time high. Then we got the drawdown the last 2 days where, again, we held 155. And now we're building off of that. We're gapping up. We kind of have a bit of a cup and handle here. Do you guys see that cup and handle forming on the 5-day, 5-minute? And this looks like if we start pushing past the highs from yesterday, especially being like 158 to 160, which we're there now. We're testing that point now. It's the moment of truth. If we're able to get out of there, this cup and handle plays out, this could be setting us up for a move right back to all-time highs. 161.84, which is where we were a couple days ago. Maybe that even breaks as well. My dog is right here, guys. She's distracting me a little bit. I'm petting her here while I'm making this video because she's like eyeing me up. She's pawing at my hand, so gotta give her some love here, guys. Yeah, okay, buddy. All right. So where was I? Palantir, man, yeah, cup and handle. I'm gonna set my alert at 100, maybe 59 for now. Let me do that right now. $159 a share. Again, if that plays out. We could see another couple dollars to the upside. And then at 162, that's the real test. If Palantir takes that point out, we could be going a lot higher. All-time highs will be hit again. And who knows where we're going to go from there, right? Mid-high 160s, who knows? And by the way, earnings are coming up. So it's going to be interesting to say the least. And on this 30-minute chart, you guys can see with today's move, we're breaking back over these moving averages, which, by the way, we were under them for a couple of days, and we had a death cross for a day or two. Now we're starting to gain momentum back over these moving averages, which is phenomenal on the 30-minute chart. And on this 1-hour chart, let me pull this up and see what's going on here. By the way, guys, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Yeah, on the 1-hour chart, we're bouncing off the 180 SMA with today's pop, and we're breaking over the 50. What more could you ask for? Excuse me, guys, by the way. My allergies today are acting up. I don't know what's going on, man. It's one of those days. Also, it's freaking hot outside. It's like 95 here where I'm at. Unbelievable. I was just outside, too, taking the dog out. It's humid, so my throat's kind of like, man. Either way, that's what we're dealing with. Alert set at 159. Earnings are on the 4th, which I think, or the 5th, or no, 4th, which I think's on Monday, right? Yeah, that's on Monday after the bell, guys. So yeah, I mean, limited trading days till earnings. Maybe we get this gap to fill to the upside before that point. So let me know your thoughts on Palantir in the comments. Now let me come over here and break down these indexes. So the S&P is up 0.25% right now, and it's starting to pop off this 180 SMA. Do you guys see it here on the 1-hour time frame? Looks like we're starting to rebound a bit above that point, which is ideal. And QQQ, same thing. We're actually breaking over the 50 SMA as well as popping off the 180 SMA here. So this is primed for all-time highs, it looks like. QQQ, that is. And SPY is pretty much there as well, right behind it. And this is heading into earnings today, which I think, I know for sure we have Meta today. Meta's after the bell, which, by the way, is up a little bit, but it's down from where it was yesterday. Meta's actually down a decent amount here, guys. About $20 a share from where it opened yesterday. Not sure why, quite frankly, but it's down into earnings, which could actually benefit them if earnings are good. We'll see if the stock rebounds aggressively. But we have Meta today, and I think... wait, which one's today? Amazon? No, Amazon and Apple, they're tomorrow on Thursday. Today we have, Microsoft. How could I forget, guys? Microsoft has been flat. It looks like kind of the calm before the storm, if you will, before earnings. They're after the bell. And I mean, honestly, I don't expect a crazy move on Microsoft. Guys, it's up in a straight line. I mean, literally, this stock hasn't seen many pullbacks at all. I mean, if you look up any of the other big tech names, they've at least seen decent drawdowns. Microsoft literally hasn't. I mean, look at this. Since when was this? April 24th, 21st, it's gone up in a straight line since last earnings, really, and since the overall market's recovered. So at this point, do you expect another big move? I mean, maybe if they shock to the upside, could happen on these earnings, but it's up a lot, man. All-time highs is where we're at, so we got to keep that in mind. But hey, with how things are looking, man, who knows? It could go higher. We'll see. It happened to Google, and maybe it happens with these other big tech names, or maybe not. We'll see. Let me show you now some other big movers. Humana is moving, or Humana. I always say this wrong. HUM is the ticker. They're reporting earnings, or they did already this morning. Humana reported EPS $6.27 versus $5.90. That beat revenue $32.38 billion versus $31.88. So double beat for Humana. But guidance. No, they didn't miss on guidance. I'm thinking of a different company. Their guidance is actually not bad. Pretty good, actually. And we're up 10.5%, taking out the highs here. So this is building momentum, no doubt. We're actually breaking above the highs from really the last 2.5 months on HUM. So keep your eyes on that one. Let's see. OKLO keeps on going. What else is new? Up another 6%. Keep your eyes on that. Roblox is ripping. This company's reporting, I think, this week, right? Or, yeah, tomorrow. We have Roblox. And this one's been pretty much in the same boat as Microsoft. It's been running for months in a straight line heading into earnings. So we'll see how they go for Roblox. That's an exciting one for sure. I'm not in it. Are you guys? Let me know. But I'm going to be watching it. But overall, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I actually have to get out of here. I got somewhere to be in a little bit. So we're going to wrap it up. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Join the email stock newsletter. Check out my Patreon for my portfolio updates. All the links are down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.